Always remember to fall asleep with a dream and wake up with a purpose. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome in English class. I am Asra Gulzar. My dear students, today we are going to learn about past continuous tense. First of all, let's discuss SLOs of today's lecture. By the end of this lesson, students would be able to understand the definition of past continuous tense. They would learn the identification of past tense and they would be able to translate the sentences into English. But first of all, let's see what is definition of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that began in past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. It means that the action that started in past time and it continued for a short time, that is called past continuous tense. Okay beta, the tense is formed by combining past tense of to be means was and were and with the present participle first form of verb plus ing. So past continuous tense is formed by using was were first form of verb plus ing. Now let's see where we use was and where we use were. Was is used with he, she, it, I and with singular noun, and were is used with they, we, you and with plural nouns. Identification of past continuous tense. Beta, it ends in Urdu, it ends at raha, tha, rahi, thi and rahe, the. Sentence structure: subject plus was were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So it is formed by subject plus was were plus first form of verb plus ing. Now let's see some examples of past continuous tense. Okay beta, so there are some examples of positive means assertive, negative and interrogative sentences. Assertive sentences, negative and interrogative, I have written the sentence structure and there are also some examples. The sentence structure of assertive sentence means positive sentences, subject plus was were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. In negative sentences, subject plus was and were plus not means was not, were not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Interrogative, in interrogative sentences, was and verbs will be at the beginning of the sentence, then subject first form of verb plus ing plus object and plus question mark. Okay, so the first example is they were running. In negative, they were not running. Now we have used word they, so that's why we have used were. Were they running? He was taking tea. He was not taking tea. Was he taking tea? I was starting my work. I was not starting my work. Was I starting my work? We were jumping. We were not jumping. Were we jumping? So these are some examples of past continuous tense in assertive, negative and interrogative. That's all today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.